How to fix Vanguard error Van 216 in Leagues of Legends. First step, open Riot client, click profile icon, click settings. This page will appear. In this, click Leagues of Legends, scroll down, click repair and start repair. Wait for some time. Is actually verifying your game files. If there is any corrupted file having means it will rectify it. Once complete after it will throw up the message successfully repaired. Click OK and move on with next step. Successfully repaired. Click OK. Next step. Open run and type the following text services.msc. Click OK. Scroll down and search for VGC services. Click it. Right click, click properties. The startup type should be in automatic and the service status should be in running mode. Click apply and OK. One more time right click and restart it. Once the restart complete after, close it. Next step, right click Riot client, click run as administrator or else click properties, click compatibility, enable run the program as administrator, click apply and OK. Right click Leagues of Legends, click run as administrator or click properties, click compatibility, enable run the program as administrator, click apply and OK. Move on with next step. Open this PC, make sure you have enough memory space. Right click it, click properties, click tools, click check and scan the drive. Wait for some time, it's actually scanning your C drive. If there is any corrupted file having means it will remove it. Successfully scanned, no error were found. Close it. Move on with next step. Search for command prompt. Right click, click run as administrator and type the following text sfc space / scan now. Click enter and wait for some time. The process will take some time because it's scanning and verifying your files in your device. The verification is ongoing. Successfully verified. No error were found. Exit it and move on with next step. Click settings. Click system settings. Click display settings. Click graphics settings. Scroll down and search for Leagues of Legends. Open it. The GPU preference is depends on you. You can set it as depends on your device. The optimization of the window game should be in turn on mode. Close it and restart.